Welcome back. We can use Claude for the same task. Claude has different models, and obviously, as you can see, we are using the professional plan. We're going to choose one of Claude's models. In a particular case, we're going to choose the model that Claude states excels in writing and complex tasks. I'm going to click on that model. We are then going to place in our query. Once our query is there, we are then going to click Enter. And we're going to allow Claude to generate its content. And Claude will then provide the content that we want. And you'll notice that in the split screen, that Claude is working through what is called Claude Artifacts. What you'll see are the instructions on the left side. You'll actually see the output on the right side in Claude Artifacts. And we can download this document into what is called a markdown file, but you can move that markdown file into Microsoft Word or some kind of Google Doc. What you can also do is you can copy all of the contents and you can place it inside of your favorite word processing software. Now we have our primary document. We want to look closely at Claude to determine if there are tools we can use to assist us in the editing process without having to use additional prompts. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.